What's up, budget billers? Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how much in dividend payments I received for the month of August. This is one of my biggest months so far since I started buying and investing into strong companies that pay me passive income just for owning their shares. For those of you that don't know, certain companies give back portions of their quarterly profits back to its shareholders, which is you and I, in which we hold their stocks in our portfolios. It's an easy way to gain some additional income while doing absolutely nothing. And the beauty about dividend stocks is that these stocks tend to not go down as much as growth stocks do. But on the flip side, they don't tend to go up as fast either. But anyways, guys, hey, if you are interested in investing or buying some dividend paying stocks, I would recommend you to sign up with Webull. Right now, they have a promotion that they will give you 2 free stocks just for signing up and depositing $5 into your account. And those stocks can be worth up to a total of $2,000. And like I said, guys, these companies pay you passive income just for being an investor and holding their shares in your portfolio. They either pay out in quarterly dividends or either sometimes on a monthly basis. And for the month of August, I received payments from 13 different companies. Now, before we get started, if this is your first time to the channel, hey, welcome and glad to have you. On this channel, we talk about finance, real estate, credit cards, Bitcoin and crypto, and stimulus update news. So if you're interested in any of those, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. That way you can join our community. Also, if you end up liking the content in this video or even laughing at one of my jokes, then be sure to like this video. Other than that, guys, hey, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, guys, thanks for sticking around, and let's go over each stock that paid me money for the month of August. Okay, guys, if we look at my account, you can tell that I'm sitting around $30,848. Now, if we look at how I did last week, I didn't do too well, but I am up about 0.67%. But if we look at the year, I'm still almost up to about 5%. I did lose a lot of money this past week on option trading, but we're still getting paid off these dividend stocks. So let's go ahead and see exactly how much we've made for the month of August. So we can see that the first stock that paid me for the month of August is T, which is AT&T, which you guys are already familiar with that, a communications company. So you can see that I own about 14 shares and they pay you about 52 cents per share. Now I received for the month of August around $7.56. Okay, now we go to the next one. We can tell that I got paid off of PIM, which is a great company that pay you monthly dividends. And this is more of an investment trust company. So I have around 111 shares of PIM and they pay you 0.022 cents per month per share. I received about $2.45 on that. The next one is JPM or JP Morgan, which you guys already know, financial bank. I have about 5 shares. They pay you about 90 cents per share, and I received $4.50 for the month of August. We go to the next one, AGNC, which is a REIT or real estate company, and I have about 25.1 shares, and they pay you 12 cents per share, and they pay you on a monthly basis. So for this month, I received $3.02 for AGNC. The next one is Apple. You guys are familiar with Apple. They make these iPhones that we continuously buy every month. So a technology company. So I own about 5 shares in Apple and they pay you about 22 cents, and I received about $1.10 for the month of August. The next one on the list is PSXP, which is actually Phillips 66 Partners, and this is a petroleum, oil, and gas company, and they pay you around 0.87 cents per share, and I own about 4 shares, and so they paid me $3.83. Go to the next one, DCP, which DCP is an energy company, and I have about 13 shares, and they pay you around 39 cents per share, and they paid me $5.24 for this month of August. Go to the next one, which is, I like to call it Shillix, which is actually Shell. And what this is an energy, oil, and gas company. I have 1 share at the time of these dividend payments, so they pay you 30 cents, and that's how much I received for the month of August. All right, the next one on the list is ET, and this is a energy transfer company, which is energy and oil and gas. And I've actually sold off a lot of my shares, but for this particular month, I had about 7 shares. They pay you about 15 cents per share, and so I received $1.13 for the month of August. The next one on the list is PSEC, and this is Prospect Capital. And what they are is an investment equity firm. And I own about 25 shares. They pay you on a monthly basis. They pay you about 6 cents per share, and I received $1.53. C, which is Citigroup, which is a financial bank. I own about 2 shares. They pay you about 51 cents per share, and I received $1.04 for Citigroup. The next one is NHTC, which is National Health Trends, which is a national e-commerce company, and I own about 25 shares. They pay you 20 cents per share, and I received a total of $5. The next one is SPHD, and this is a ETF for the S&P 500. Now, I don't own that much, but I own actually about 0.11 shares. They pay you about 12 cents per share, in which I only received 1 penny for the amount of shares that I own. Those are the 13 companies that pay me dividend paying stocks for the month of August. Okay guys, in total for the month of August, I have received $44.27 from 13 different companies. This is the second largest month that I've had this year, and I expect it just to continue to grow even larger. All of this money that I receive from dividends will get reinvested into the same stock to buy more shares. Okay guys, in total for the month of August, I have received $44.27 from 13 different companies. This is the second largest month that I've had this year, and I expect it just to continue to grow even larger. All of this money that I receive from dividends will get reinvested into the same stock to buy more shares. That's how your money can compound on top of each other, similar to the snowball effect. If I make $12 in dividends on one stock, that $12 will be used to buy more shares of that same stock. And it just continues to grow and grow and grow. And all of this is passive income, or as I like to call it, free money. Now, let me know guys if you have any questions about these dividend paying stocks. This is just one of my streams of income, so if you're interested in starting to invest in some dividend paying stocks today, a great way is to sign up for that Webull account that I mentioned earlier. Also, you can sign up for Robinhood. Both of them offer you free stocks in return just for signing up. But anyways guys, hey, that's all I have for you today, but let me know if you want me to start posting each month and how much I receive from dividends. I would love to share more information with you guys and to be more transparent on this channel. Anyways guys, hey, if you enjoy any of this information or found it to be useful, be sure to hit the like button for us. It definitely helps out a lot, and it also tells YouTube to share this video with others. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for me so that you can be a part of this community, and hit the notification bell to be notified of each new video. Again, as always, hey, I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace.